Hello guys, today we're gonna install LazyVim on Linux. LazyVim could be used as IDE and also it could be used on a remote server. So it's really good. Let's go to our remote server. HP19. This is my HP19. And here we need to install some requirements. So I use Pakin. If you're using Debian-based Linux like Ubuntu or something, you use sudo apt install and so on. Here I need NeoVim. Also, I will use Git. And in order to make my LazyVim system of installing packets and plugins working, I need npm and clang. And for my Python development, I need Python, Py, and Vim. This packet could be different in Ubuntu or Debian-like system. I don't know exactly the name of the packet there, so just Google it. And also for file search, I need rip grep and fd. So I think that's all requirements. So also, if you want to have a good experience using LazyVim, you have to have a terminal that supports true colors like Terminator, Kitty, Alacrity, or something like that. So you can find how to install them. And also in your system, you have to have installed like a nerd font, which supports like beautiful icons right in the text mode. So it will be really cool. So let's install this stuff. And I already have it. I don't want to reinstall it. I just do no. So before installing our LazyVim, we need to make a backup. If we have the current nvim config, like this directory, we can do pcp, something like that. I don't have any on this remote server. Let's do git clone https github github.com/lazy vim /starter and place it to config and vim here. Okay, it's done. Now we're doing our first start. At the first start, LazyVim usually takes some time to install all the required plugins and stuff. In my case, it's already done. And to open the CMD, I just need to hit colon and I see this beautiful CMD line. And I have to run like my lazy health check. So this is lazy health command and I run it and it will show me like a report of how my LazyVim feels like. So if everything is good and I have all the requirement dependencies, it looks like I have some warnings, errors here. But don't worry about that so much because I'm not going to use everything of that. So and somewhere in the bottom I have to check that no duplicate mappings, so this is okay. So and also here I can to check for my Python. If I gonna do my Python development, I see that it says okay, and somewhere else Python okay. Here's Python again, Python, all the checks, all the 5 checks, so it's okay, I'm good with Python. And also, if you're gonna use it as IDE, you can install like it's called extras in Lazy. You can do Lazy extras and find, for example, Python here. Here's my Python and hit X. It will install like language server that will help with code hints and code organizing, code and so Now I can give it a try, like open some Python program like NeoVim, something like test python.py, and it's open it for me, and I see this nice symbol of Python in the bottom, and I can do some simple stupid script here, like something from okay, it knows my keyword already from time, maybe it knows the time module, so it means that my language server is working. I'm gonna import, for example, sleep maybe. Okay, and here I'm gonna do maybe some function. Let's do some def my func, put name here, and do something like maybe a loop for something in maybe range of 10. And here let's do my sleep 1 second, and something like print, maybe print a string here like hello um, name, this. Okay, very beautiful program. And I'm gonna show you some snippets here, like if m shows me snippet if main. I can hit enter and see that it puts automatically for me if name equals main. That is really cool. And I can put my function here and do my name here, for example, like that. So I can save my program. And also, if I do like a bad formatting of Python code, like something like ugly like that, for example, I did like that, and if I'm trying to save it, it fixes formatting automatically for me. So, and it's really cool. I like it very much. Also, there is a nice feature in LazyVim. If I hit space, it's called the leader button here. I see this nice menu in the bottom with all the options that I can use, and it's really useful. It really helps if you don't remember some key bindings or something. So let's give a try to our program. I already saved it. I'm just gonna double it just in case, and we can open the terminal. I don't want to close LazyVim now. I can just hit Control slash, and I see this nice terminal right in LazyVim. So, and it's cool. I don't want to close my project I'm working on. I just open terminal right here, and I can do Python and test test Python, for example. Okay, and it's doing 1 second sleep and prints hello Mike. Okay, so my program is working. Looks like it's done. So we installed LazyVim on Linux. It will be pretty similar to install it on Ubuntu. Maybe it will be required to do some Googling how to install some packages. It should be pretty similar. Just use the apt install instead of my pacman. How that alias works, I can show you real quick as well. Alias, this is a command that will show all the aliases in your system. I can do grep here and do my pacin, and I see that my pacin is sudo pacman-s, that it means run it as a root user and do sudo pacman-s. S stands for sync, as I remember. Okay, looks like it's done. Thanks for watching, and bye.